Okay, mayong gabi eh. Mayong gabi sa tanang STEM students diha. And dili lang day kay STEM kundi STEM, TVL Maritime, ABM, GAS, UMS sa UV Pardo and UV Main. So sama sa atong akong gisulti ninyo na namoy activities. So, yung activity number 1 na sa link, makita ninyo sa link ingani nga video, mo na activity number 1 ninyo. I-click lang na ninyo nga link na tan-awan ninyo. Then mao ni ang activity number 2 and activity number 3. So basically these 3 activities kay nag-connect na sa matag topic. So ang activity number 1 mao na siya ang para sa lesson 1, ang activity number 2 para sa lesson 2, ug ang activity number 3 na sa lesson 3. Now naghampoog na ni, nagtapok na ni kay tungod lagi kay na late ang uban. Ang UV main na humana na sila sa ilahang activity number 1. So take note, UV main dili na mo answer sa activity number 1. Diretso na mo aning activity number 2 and activity number 3. Please lang ayaw ninyo tuloy ang UV Pardo in regards to answer kay dili na maayo. Let them challenge themselves para makatubag sila ingani nga mga pangutana. Anyway, tanan ninyong kinahanglanon na anra sa video tanan nga gusto niyo makatunan. Gamiti lang og kugi lang og tan-aw then sabta. Okay, dili na nato dugay-dugayon. So activity number 2. So number 1, given f of x. Okay. Then ito sa is wag maya. Okay. So given f of x is equal to x minus 2, find the following values. So natay 5 ka pang 6 unong ka pangutana for number 1. That's a up to f. So a, f of 0, b, f of 3, c, f of negative 1, d, f of pi, e, f of x plus 1, then f of 3x. Now for number 2, so mo ni number 2 na to. Given f of x is equal to 4 over x, then find the following values. So a to f gapon eh. So f of 1, then f of 2, then f of negative 1, then f of square root of 2, then f of 1 over x, then last f of 2x. Now for number 3, given f of x is equal to square root of x minus 3. Mo nang gingani nako porma, gibutangan nako bracket, meaning tanan sila ang gi-square root. Okay, gingani lang nako kay wala ko nagamit og Microsoft Word, ang akong gigamit kay LibreOffice. So wala kayo ko masuhito ani LibreOffice pagpangita sa square root nga na ay masulod tanan. Pero ay ani lang gisud na nako box kay ang ilhanan na silang tanan ang gi-square root. So meaning f of x is equal to the square root of x minus 3. Then find the following values. F of 3, a to f gyapon eh. F of 3, f of 4, f of 12, f of x minus 3, then f of 1 over the quantity of 1 minus x. Okay, so sabtalang ninyo, ako nang gihimog box ng 1 minus x, meaning nag-uba na sila. Then last, f of x squared plus 4x plus 7. Okay, so let's proceed to number 4. So Mark started selling snacks in the nearby school, and one day he spends 200 pesos for rent and 25 pesos for each snack item he prepares. His expenses in a single day can be expressed as the function c of x is equal to 25x plus 200, where x is the number of the items and cx is his daily expenses in pesos. How much are his expenses if he prepares 100 snack items? Mo na ang primero pangutana. Ay kaduhang pangutana, 150 snack items. Now let's proceed to number 5. Okay, So the function for the height of an object dropped from a 100-meter tall uh, platform at time t. So time atong symbol sa time, t atong symbol sa time, seconds, is approximated by s of t is equal to negative 5 t squared plus 100. So kana nga formula nay naka-note na rin. This formula is based on approximated value for the acceleration. G is equal to 10 meter over s squared, meaning anong s, seconds na 10 meter per 10 meter per second squared due to gravity. Now the question, what is the height of the object after 2 seconds? And second question, after 4 seconds. Alright, so let's proceed to the activity number 3 for the lesson, operations on functions. Katong ganiha is substitution, substitute man to. Or should I say, di naman ako kahilos, Okay, anyway. So, activity number 3. It's for operations on functions. Number 1. So, given the function, kadita nga, ito sa isulat tayo. Kaya ma-down na to, di na ma-down. Okay, here. Down. So, number 1. Given the function f and g below, find and simplify the following functions: f plus g, f minus g, f times g, f over g, then g over f. Question, letter A. So bali kuha niya usa ka letter, 5 ang 5 ang tubag. Again, 1 letter, then usa ka letter, 5 ang tubag. So first letter, f of x, is x plus 2, then g of x is x squared minus 4. Letter B, f of x is equal to the square root of x minus 1. Meaning ka ng x minus 1 nga square root, kay gibox man ako, kauban na sila. Then g of x is x squared plus 4. Letter C, f of x is equal to x minus 2 all over x plus 2. Then g of x is equal to 1 over x. Letter D, f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 2, meaning kauban na sila. O nang ako nang libutang box. Then g of x is equal to the quantity of x minus 2 all over x. Now letter E, f of x is equal to 1 over x squared, then g of x is equal to the square root of x. Okay? Now let's proceed to number 2. Okay, if f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x and g of x is equal to x minus 2, find and simplify the following composite functions: A, f composite g, B, g composite f, C, f composite f, then D, g composite g. Again, dili na siya multiple choice kundi ang kada letter imo nang tubagan or tubagon. Okay, number 3. Each pair of functions below have a special relationship because f composite g is equal to x and g composite f is equal to x. Now, verify these. Tanaw na to kung naba sila special relationship. So ang imong buhaton nani is imong i-prove ra nimo kung nabagid sila yung relationship in which f composite g if it will equal to g composite f. Mura ra bag imo rang i-prove nga si F composite G is equal to G composite F. Now kung ma-prove gani nimo, ma-verify gani nimo, then imong concludan nga this letter A or letter B, letter C, tanaw na to kung asa nila amo equal. Okay, letter A, f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, then g of x is equal to 1/3 multiplied to the quantity of x plus 2. Wait, di makita niyo. Sa yung yaw-yaw, di makita. Okay, letter B, f of x is equal to x over the quantity of 2 minus x. Then g of x is equal to 2x all over x minus 1. And last but not the least, for letter C, f of x is equal to the quantity of x minus 1, that being powered by 3 plus 2. And now for g of x is equal to the cube root of x minus 2. So guys, ako nang gihimo og gibutangan na ako box sila kay ang pasabot nako si x minus 2 ra ang cube root. Then after ma-cube root na x minus 2, napa na siya sumpay nga plus 1. Okay? Wa ko nakitang cube root sa LibreOffice mo nang gingana na lang forma. So again, for g of x, it's equal to cube root of x minus 2. Then after ana napay sumpay pero dili siya apil sa cube root ha, plus 1. So mo na siya. Okay, so matag item na may daghang, for example, matag item na ay daghang ansiranan. For the word problem, kanang word problem dako dag score kanang item, and kanang dili word problem tag 1 point each or 2 points, depende nako kay depende sa level of difficulty. Okay, now unsaon pagpass, same procedure sa pre-calculus. You can pass it to me, you can pass it via MS Teams, you can pass via email or corporate email, you can also pass in the messenger, just private message dayon or just message me. Pero mas preferred ko sa MS Teams kay dito para matapok diretso. Okay, anin lang sa MS Teams na lang mo pasa. Ayaw na lang mo sa Facebook Messenger. And then unsa pa? Sa pailain ha. Okay, plus 10 sa makapas o Wednesday. Kuan marono Domingo, Saturday, tomorrow Domingo. So Jan math. Okay, na plus 10 kung makapas ini ka Wednesday. Then wala na plus kung makapas og Friday. Or I mean Thursday. A day after Wednesday, wala na plus. Then pag mobutang og ngalan sa kini nga video, as timaan nga nitan-aw jud ay mo saba sa imong classmate plus 20. Alright? Easy. Easy kayong plus 20. So maora to siya. Kung namoy pangutan na, palihog lang ko comment sa comment section. Bye everyone, God bless. Unta nga makasurvive ra mo ani. Kaya ra kayo ninyo. Alright, so bye bye everyone.